Hi, this is Marie from Legacy Publishing. Today, Chuck and I are going to discuss the recent Summation Index buy signal and what action traders should take now to profit from this buy signal. Chuck, in your previous video, you discussed the Summation Index and how it helped you produce a 52% return during a recent 2-week period. Now that the index has turned bullish, what should traders do?
Hi Marie. We learned in my previous video that the Summation Index measures the number of advancing stocks versus the number of declining stocks. Now currently the number of advancing stocks is exceeding the number of declining stocks, which indicates that the trend has now turned bullish for stocks. Now on the upper right section of the price chart I'm currently displaying, we can see the Summation Index has been declining since January. It became very oversold and continued to fall until mid-March when the index bottomed out and turned back up again. Now this means that the number of advancing stocks on the New York Stock Exchange are starting to exceed the number of declining stocks, which is bullish. Now we can see from the bottom right section of this price chart that the Summation Index MACD, which is the black line, crossed above the 9-day EMA trigger, generating a buy signal. With this buy signal, I have been purchasing stocks and call options.
Chuck, there are hundreds of stocks and call options to choose from. How do you narrow down the list of possible trades to the trades with the best profit opportunity?
Marie, that is a great question. When I target a stock or call option for purchase, I use several confirming indicators that help me select the stocks or call options with the best profit potential. The first step is to confirm that the stock is in a price uptrend with one or more of my 3 trend following systems, which are the MACD, the intermediate term trend system, and the major trend system. If one or more of these 3 trend following systems is on a buy signal and confirms the Summation Index uptrend, then that stock is a good candidate for purchase. Now this trend confirmation by the 3 trend following systems is important because there can be individual stocks in a price downtrend even when the broad market is in a price uptrend. Now we will look at several examples of trend confirmations in a minute. Now the other trend confirmation indicator I use is on-balance volume. On-balance volume measures volume flow. When a stock closes up, volume is added to the line, and when a stock closes down, volume is subtracted from the line. A cumulative total of the volume additions and subtractions forms the OBV line. This is very similar to a moving average line. Now volume flow normally precedes price movement, so I have found this to be a great confirming indicator. I will examine this indicator in greater depth in an upcoming video. Let's look at some examples of trades that I recently entered using the Summation Index and the on-balance volume indicator. I recently purchased Freeport-McMoran stock and call options. The price chart I'm displaying shows the Freeport MACD and on-balance volume trend line. Now if you look at the middle of the chart, it shows that the Freeport MACD, which is the black line, crossed above the red trigger line, producing an MACD buy signal for Freeport. And the bottom chart displays the Freeport on-balance volume line. Now notice how the on-balance volume line has been trending up, confirming the price uptrend. Both the MACD and on-balance volume line confirm the Summation Index buy signal, and I purchased Freeport stock and call options. Now here's another example of a call option purchase I made over the past 2 weeks for a National Oil Well. The National Oil Well MACD is on a buy signal and the on-balance volume line is trending up, both confirming the Summation Index buy signal. I purchased National Oil Well stock and call options. So to summarize, the Summation Index is a great tool that indicates when we should be buying stocks. When you combine the Summation Index with a stock's price trend and on-balance volume, it can result in high probability buy signals.
Chuck, how have these recent Summation Index buy trades performed?
Well, Marie, over the past few weeks, I have been purchasing call options. Now, I'm displaying my current brokerage account call option portfolio. This report shows that my call option portfolio has produced an average return of 86% over the past several weeks. Now, I selected these call options on stocks that were in a price uptrend, which was also confirmed by the on-balance volume indicator. So this recent Summation Index buy signal combined with the trend confirmations is working out quite well.
Chuck, how have the Summation Index buy signals performed in the past?
Marie, the Summation Index has been a very useful timing tool. When the market gets overbought and the Summation Index starts trending down, I start selling my stock in call option positions and start initiating bearish positions on stocks in a price downtrend. Now, October of 2007 would be a good example of this. On October 11th, 2007, the S&P 500 index traded at an all-time high of 1576. And at that point, the market became very overbought. Just a few days later, on October 16th, the Summation Index issued a sell signal when the S&P was trading at 1547. So the Summation Index called the top within 30 points of the all-time high, and this was a great signal to exit long positions just when everyone was getting very bullish. My brokerage account statements that I will be displaying at the end of this video show over $1.7 million of profits trading call options. I selected these call options with the help of the Summation Index, my trend following systems, and the on-balance volume indicator. So these indicators are a powerful combination that can lead to very profitable trading.
Well, Chuck, these real-time results say it all. The Summation Index has proven to be a powerful indicator that can lead to awesome profits. I hope our viewers have gained some insight into this valuable trading tool. I want to thank everyone for viewing, and I am looking forward to our next presentation.